Hi everyone and welcome to episode 1 of Kingston Football Live. I'm your host Eric Pace and we're going to go ahead and get started. Week 1 is in the books and in what surprises that we did see. Fantasy Football Edition. This is what this is about. So, without further ado, 49ers of Sacramento go win against the P-Funk All-Stars. The P-Funk All-Stars are a great team. The owner of the team works in the sports industry as a guy that does yellow lines in the football field. He knows everything about sports there is to know. He took on and actually was losing until yesterday. They come off with the win, 80-67, against the Sacramento 49ers, and hugely in part of Reggie Bush and his 94 total yards, 1 touchdown. Now to move over with a team that did not actually join us in the draft. He was out of town, but that showed to be a non-issue for Big Chief. They win 123 over the Kingston Mobsters, 114. And the Kingston Mobsters are the very first champions of the Kingston Football Fantasy League. And they're a big team and a really threatening team to go against. But 123-114 is the final score. Over 20 points from Drew Brees, Wes Welker, and the Ravens defense as he comes on top. Steelos versus the V-Rains. 116-61. Ray Rice, 107 rushing yards and 1 touchdown rushing yard and 1 receiving touchdown. NWO against the Nip Slip. NWO are the champions of the last season. I want to make a correction. The first season was won by Peter Frank, P-Funk All-Stars, I believe. I have to check my resources and check my stuff, but this is what we're all about. But anyways, NWO went against the Nip Slips. They were unsuccessful, 132-88, Nip Slips' favor. Tom Brady had 34 points, and I think that's a week high. And then finally, we have the Warriors against the Chronic Kings. Warriors 125, Chronic Kings 77. And Mike Vick did good for the Chronic Kings, but Aaron Rodgers did better. Now let's move over to the standings for week 1. All right, in the Black Division, Division 1, we've got the Warriors tied with the Steelos and the P-Funk All-Stars at 1. And then in the Division 2, we have the Nip Slips tied with Big Chief, Kingston Mobsters, New World Order in Sacramento. Sacramento 49ers are 0-1. But that's not big of a deal because it's week 1 and a lot of things can change very quickly. Let's go ahead and check out the schedule and see who's faced up this week. In week 2, we got the Sacramento 49ers versus a rival, and I'm talking about a heated rivalry. NWO. P-Funk All-Stars will play the Warriors, and Warriors are a big favorite in that team. I'm going to go ahead and go with them. And Big Chief is going to play against the Steelos. Forgive me if I'm mispronouncing that wrong. Nip Slip, etc. will go against the Kingston Mobsters, and the Chronic Kings against V-Rains. So, I want to thank you guys for joining us today on Kingston Football Live, and I will see you in episode 2 when I will cover episode 2. But for those of you in my Madden League, we are actually going to have a more exciting video of a Sports Center type thing with Madden highlights, video game stuff. It's going to blow your mind. Please feel free to watch. If you're in my league, you're going to love it. But if you have Xbox Live and you have Madden, hit me up and you can join my league. It's never too late. We're just going to do week 1. Week 1 is done on Thursday. So, with that being said, I'm Eric Pace. Thanks for watching.